Welcome back to the Active Controls YouTube channel. Today I'd like to introduce our upgraded ActiveStart, which is our inverter model. This is the same ratings, 115 volt, 20 amp rating, as you can tell by our smaller plug. This unit has faster response to help start on inverters and small generators. Now today what I'm going to show you is what's the current in this inverter, and this inverter will start this AC. But what I'm going to showcase is what is the change in inrush current that you're going to see measured on that meter down there. Again, this is designed to be faster. It's a single start action, meaning one AC, one inductive load, whether it's an AC, a microwave, it will do that, and then you can turn on subsequent loads, but those loads will not get a soft start. It's intended for one large load, and you can have your lights on, you can have small appliances running, anything that will not overload on a start. All right, here we go. What you're going to see here is the inrush current that we're going to measure when the AC kicks on. Also, with our unit, it will be designed to be below 3 amps before it will do a soft start event. So if you do have small lights on and everything, as long as everything is below 3 amps, then this unit will immediately start the AC with reduced starting amps. Okay, so what you see there is 27 amps. And now we're going to do it with the ActiveStart and see if we can reduce that starting amperage. Now that we've connected the ActiveStart, you're going to see in our app all the information that we record. You're going to see the running amps, the frequency, the power, the total energy, the standard stuff that we record, as well as the added functions that we have now. Here, you're going to see that we added a soft start level. With that soft start level, you can pick where you want the unit to kick in and ramp. Okay, it makes it faster. The lower the number, the faster the response. And especially if you have a very small inverter or very small product that you're trying to start, like a small freezer, compressor freezer. So the lower the setting, the better. And then the starting power. Okay, the starting power is basically the duty cycle that we start from and ramp the output to make sure that the compressor doesn't stall. So now we've started our unit and it's waiting to turn on the compressor. But when it does, we'll see it here, and we will also be recording it on our meter and see what the new starting amperage will be. So now, as you'll see, the ActiveStart successfully started on the AC200, and you'll see a reduction. It went from 27 amps down to 15 amps. So we were able to reduce the inrush current by 12 amps. Now, that's significant. That's almost a 50% reduction. Okay? Now, we are going to go ahead and let this run. And as you can see in the app as well, we're showing the current, the frequency of the device. Okay. And the settings we use. So, just to recap, that's our inverter model that we're introducing. It will be available. A lot of our customers have been asking for this because they have struggled with the original product. Even though it works very well, inverters needed a different kind of starting algorithm, which we've added here. But the key is, again, light load below 3 amps, and then turn on your heavy load, and the system will ramp it up successfully, and your inverter will not overload. I have tested this also on a 1500 watt inverter in the back, and it started there. And that inverter also had like a 2500 watt peak, but it's a 1500 watt running inverter. So we're very excited about this, and we're going to be shipping it out soon.